Today we are learning about Hanukkah in Israel. Now notice I said Hanukkah instead of Christmas. So Hanukkah is another holiday celebration, and in Israel most people celebrate Hanukkah. There are actually people in America that also celebrate Hanukkah, and so you might see some of their traditions when you are at the store, or maybe some of your friends might celebrate, so you might have seen some of this stuff before. Now, Israel is a little bit hard to see on this map. It's technically part of Asia, but it's right about here in the Middle East, and it's right between Africa, Asia, and Europe. It's kind of in that middle section right there. So in Israel, children celebrate a holiday called Hanukkah. Children light a candle on a menorah for each of the 8 nights of Hanukkah. Many times a gift is exchanged each night. Latkes, or potato pancakes, are a favorite treat to eat. So now that we've learned a little bit about Hanukkah and Israel, go ahead and go to the next video so we can do our paper together. And once we're done with that, you're going to head over to our Hanukkah classroom in Israel to learn a lot more about Israel and the holiday of Hanukkah.